But to the question, one thing I realized is I think the first time I was comfortable to sit and talk about money and what money means to me and in a more personal manner only in my 40s. Who do you sit and talk about your stress with money?
With my friends usually.
Yeah?
Not with my parents though, but I'll tell her like ये नहीं हो रहा है, आज नहीं हो रहा है मेरे पास,
हाँ.
तो मैं क्या करूँ अभी? She's like, take, it's okay, I'll give you some money, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, टाइम के हिसाब से सब कुछ हो जाएगा, don't take stress. So हम खाना खाना बंद कर देते जब स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. That's the reason I told distressful. So अभी नहीं, खाली फ्रेंड्स के साथ मैं बात करती हूँ. I ask so many of my friends that आपको क्या लगता है जब आप सुनते हो मनी के बारे में? They end up saying I'm irresponsible. जिसके पास मनी है उसको जाके पूछ ले, मेरे को क्यों पूछ रही है, मेरे पास है नहीं है. So everyone ended up saying the same thing, that they don't have money, they don't know how to manage finances. I was like हाँ, मैं भी उन लोगों के साथ नहीं हूँ, मैं कुछ अलग नहीं हूँ. So वो लोग भी बोलते हैं कि क्या तेरे को प्रायोरिटाइज करना है और क्या तेरे को किधर तेरे को रोकना है. So I am in that to understand. That's it.
What stresses you the most about money? Like in the future, your future and money, if I were to look at it that way, what stresses you the most?
How will I manage? Still, I'm not figuring it out. So how will I manage? Still, I'm in that question, stuck in that question.
Like, how will you even survive?
Yeah.
Not even like save and
Yes.
how will you survive? That's where it is. How is it for you?
With money, actually,
Like, who do you talk to and
She's-
what stresses you? Does it even stress you?
yeah, it does stress me. My money gets over really quickly.
Dude, yeah, man. It's just like,
And I remember, like, initially salary was low, right? And I think by the third salary increase, I was really happy. And it happened quite swiftly for me.
बहुत खुश होगा इससे.
And then, yeah. And then, but I thought that, okay, now I have this certain amount of salary that I'm getting. I should be really happy, you know. Everything should be sorted. And I'm not still sorted. I don't know, what was the question? Who do I talk to?
do
I
you talk
talk
to?
with that date.
With the date.
Yeah.
But do you discuss with your friends? Are you comfortable talking about money?
Yes,
with your friends?
I have a best friend called in office.
Oh, the good-looking guy.
No.
Not good-looking.
The good-hearted guy.
I see.
So I discuss all my finances with him.
Okay.
Actually, initially when I started working, right, and I didn't have money, and I started the same. We have had the same career growth in all aspects. And I used to take money from him, like give me loan, 5,000, 10,000, even though I was getting money from home. So he knows everything. He knows where I spend, what I do, etc., etc. So he is one of the person that I discuss with. Second will be the guy that I'm with. And if in the end I have to just crib or something, then maybe.
So you do
Yeah.
have a comfortable relationship with a set of people, and they're of different types. One is more the savings kind. One is
Which it's because we both are in the same bracket. He tells me that, you know, this is what you can actually do, or this is where you can save, or this is where you're spending a lot. And with it's more like a cribbing where, you know, where Aman is like, what are you doing with all your money? And then we sit and we make that chart that this is what I am spending. And I'm like, हाँ, बहुत expenditure hai. So these small things where all three of them give me different ideas. And then I don't do whatever they say. I do whatever I want and I want. If I have to shop something, I have to shop it. But yeah, these three people, I do actively discuss with them. Others, I'm not comfortable. Wouldn't even say that I have a money issue or I have a lot of money. I'll just be happy.
parents. No.
No, parents. I only have mother, and she is not bothered. She was always the homemaker, not bothered what money is coming in, what is happening. So she has not been the one. I have my brother, elder brother, who is like a guardian to me, but I have just stopped telling them. I don't think they would know exactly my salary or what incentives I'm getting. Also.
Yeah.